Sri K. Shankar Narayan ji, His Excellency Muralidhar Bhandari ji, Dr. Rangarajan, Chandrakant Salunke, President of Maharashtra Industrial and Economic Development, Sri Yashwant Sinha, Captain C.P.K. Nair, and G.N. Bajpai, the most distinguished award winners, and brothers and sisters on this occasion. It's a great pleasure that I have come here. I don't want to establish my relation with you as a speaker and listeners. A person who is creative rarely becomes popular. He has to establish his own values. By the time he establishes those values, he is gone. It has happened with almost all great people in this country, and there were few exceptions like Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Today, I got the award of Yashwantrao Chauhan when I was 21 years old. I was elected only congressman in Kolhapur Municipal Council. As the Chief Minister, he congratulated me. I will never forget those moments. Still, I remember those events. Still, I get a sense of appreciation. When I contested assembly election in 1967, he has blessed me, and he told me that you are the only candidate I have selected. Congress has lost almost all elections in this constituency. You must contest. So I won the election, and he congratulated me. But in '69, I voted for Giri, and I supported Indira Gandhi in those years. And we were only 4 MLAs. And Yashwantrao Chauhan, I cannot forget. Sanyukta March was brought to Maharashtra, and he was the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He used to say, history may conceal certain things, but geography cannot. But his name is recorded in the history and geography also. On behalf of all these awardees, this moment will be remembered forever. And Chandra Savalke was introduced me by Rayaramba Patil and Vasantdada Patil long days. Many years I have not met him. But when I declared the award, I was very much surprised. And I could make it because of his love and affection. I have come here. I give my best wishes to Chandrakant Salunke that he should continue this work forever. And I feel that nothing happens accidentally in the life. Between the life and death, who is the architect of the destiny? You yourself is the architect of destiny. Dr. Murphy has said, sow good thoughts, reap good actions. Sow good actions, reap good habits. And sow good habits, reap good character. And sow good character, reap good destiny. Between the life and death, you yourself is the architect of the destiny. When Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj was totally forgotten by the people of Kolhapur and Maharashtra up to 1974, his name was revived again. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was totally forgotten for 200 years, but his name was revived again in 1957. What is the philosophy behind it? The same philosophy I tell, that the person who has worked for day and night, he is remembered forever. And I am sure that I believe in only one caste, that is caste of humanity. I believe in only one God who is omnipresent. I salute that God. आपला सर्वांना अभिवादन करून मी माझं भोर भाषण पुरं करतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय त्रिपुरा.